Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Yash, and today finally I'm going to make a proper skincare routine video. In this video we're going to talk about products, techniques, the right order to use products, all the nitty-gritties, everything. My hair is just not staying today. So before I start, I want to tell you guys that I do not have perfect skin. I just started practicing skincare about 6 months ago. I was dealing with severe acne, and you can still see on my face I have a lot of scars. I don't have any active acne currently, but I do have a lot of scars, and scars do take a lot of time to fade out. I'm like one of those people who has to do a lot for my hair and for my skin, and that just means that you know that I know the struggle that you are going through, and whatever advice I'm going to give you has come from experience and from trial and error and all of those things. So I'm sort of dragging you guys along with me on this skincare journey which I'm on. So when we hear the word skincare routine, we think about this elaborate 10-20 step routine which has a lot of steps with high-end fancy products, and it can be that if you like skincare you can have a routine like that. But if you're someone who is minimal, who wants to keep it tight and compact and don't want to use like more than 2-3 products, then this is the right video for you. This video can get a little long, so grab a snack, get some coffee, sit back and relax. Pause the video right here, go get something to eat, and just chill. So since today we're talking about a basic skincare routine, there are usually 4 steps involved: cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting. So obviously I'm going to divide this routine into a daytime and nighttime routine, because a nighttime routine is where you want to take the dirt and grime off from your face and nourish it and replenish it and repair throughout the night. So since the first step is cleansing, no matter what your skin type is, you want to go for a gentle and mild cleanser. Even if you are oily or combination, you feel like using a strong face wash which strips the oil off your face, you don't want to do that. When you do that, it dries out your face and then your skin produces more oil to overcompensate, and then you end up being oily again. So that's like a vicious cycle right there, so you want to break that. So always go for a gentle face wash. Also, if you're wearing makeup or sunscreen throughout the day, like you're supposed to wear sunscreen anyway, like even if you're sitting in the house, so you know that it's not going to come off with one single wash. So what I recommend is a double cleanse. Now a double cleanse is exactly what it sounds like. You wash your face twice. Now you can use the same face wash which you already have and use it twice, or you can use 2 different face washes. First face wash can be an oil-based cleanser which melts down your makeup or your sunscreen, and then you can rinse it off with water. And for your second cleanse, you can go with a water-based gel hydrating face wash, which can take whatever's left on your face off. It's falling off, it's just grown. I like have to keep looking at the monitor because this is the first time I'm recording with my DSLR, and I don't know if it's in focus or no, and if it goes out of focus, this whole video is going to shit. And the other perk of a double cleanse is that if you do a double cleanse at night, you don't really have to wash your face with a face wash in the morning. Step number 2 is exfoliating. Now, this is a very important step. No matter what skin type you have, you need to exfoliate. It will get rid of the uneven texture on your face, and it will literally brighten up your skin, because there's a whole layer of dead skin cells sitting on your face and you need to take that off. So again, there are 2 types of exfoliators: chemical exfoliators and physical exfoliators. Physical exfoliators are your scrubs. You have a walnut scrub, which I bet you might have. Throw it away, because walnut scrubs are the worst. They literally have shards of walnut shells, and they're gonna cause micro tearing on your skin, which is gonna show up years later, and it's gonna be very difficult to get rid of. So you don't want to use a walnut scrub on your face. You can use something gentle like those powdered exfoliants or even beads, or something very gentle. Chemical exfoliators, I think, do a better job and they're more gentle. So we have our AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids, which are good for all skin types. They give you a gentle exfoliation. Examples of AHAs are glycolic acid and lactic acid. And then we have our BHAs, which are beta hydroxy acids. Now these penetrate more deeper, and these are more recommended for oily or combination skin type. They're also recommended for people dealing with acne. For a gentle gel face wash, I recommend the Himalayan Neem Pimple Face Wash. This is like a very regular drugstore face wash. You get it everywhere. Some people say it dries out your skin, so for that you don't want to keep it on for long. This is one thing which I've noticed, like people massage their face and they leave on their face wash. You don't want to do that. You don't want to leave it on for more than 30 seconds. So if it's drying out your face, just wash it off immediately and you're fine. Also, you can use combo products like which have cleansing and exfoliating properties together in one product. So I have two products here. If you try chemical exfoliation, go for this one. My dermatologist recommended this to me. It's the Sebamed cleansing foam. This has lactic acid in it, which is a chemical exfoliator, and I swear by this. Like, I really like this and I use this, so you should go for this. And this also balances the pH of my skin to a 5.5, which is like the ideal pH. So, so this is a really good one. If you want to try a chemical exfoliating cleanser, I have this one by Kaya Skin Clinic. It has those powdered exfoliants in them. So I just realized I stopped recording to check the focus, and then I forgot to start the recording, and now my battery is really low, so I have to do this video real quick. But my hair is just not staying today. So I think we're on to our third step, which is moisturizing. Now you have to use a moisturizer. If you think a cream moisturizer is too much for you, go for a gel one which absorbs better. I don't have a gel moisturizer with me right now, but I have these two moisturizers. No, I have three. So if you want to go for a local drugstore moisturizer which is really good, you can go for the Pond's Light Moisturizer. Now this is a new one. This has niacinamide in it, which strengthens your skin barrier. And you know, the funny part is there's no mention of niacinamide on the package, and it should be because it's such an amazing ingredient and you need to have it. But it's written on the back on the ingredients, so always read the back of your products. They also have a gel version of this, so you want to try that out if you want a gel moisturizer. And then again, I have a Cetaphil moisturizers. This is the hydrating lotion, and this is the moisturizing cream. This is the moisturizing cream. So these are like typical Dermat approved moisturizers. When I feel extremely dry, I use the hydrating lotion, or else on an everyday basis, I use the moisturizing cream. To use, no matter what your skin type is, you have to use a moisturizer to keep the hydration locked in. Now the fourth step is protection, and you only want to do this in the morning. Protection, I obviously mean sunscreens. Naughty. I know what you're thinking. I used to hate to wear sunscreens. I used to hate wearing sunscreens, but you know what I mean. I used to not like to wear sunscreens because they used to leave a white cast on my face, and they just didn't absorb into my skin. And then I found out that those are physical sunscreens and they're not supposed to be absorbed by your skin. They're supposed to sit on top and deflect the UV rays. And I was like, what? There are types? And yeah, there are two types. There are physical and chemical types of sunscreen. So a physical sunscreen will just sit on top, it will leave a white cast, and if you're medium to dark skin tone, this is not the type of sunscreen for you. If you don't like sunscreens, you're just buying the wrong ones. A chemical sunscreen is like any other gel or cream. It gets absorbed. It gets absorbed into your skin, and how it works is it takes in the UV rays, converts them into heat, and releases them out. So a little bit of science happening there. So that's how they work. And I have two chemical sunscreens with me. This is the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA+++. So this is a gel one, and then I have the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. This is a okay. So this is a gel one, and this is a cream one. So you can get whatever you want. Now we're going to do a recap real quick. So for your nighttime routine, you want to do a double cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and that's it. 3 steps. And in the morning, if you've done a double cleanse at night, you don't have to wash your face with a cleanser. Just rinse it with water. And I don't think you need to exfoliate in the morning if you're exfoliating at night, unless your skin needs that kind of exfoliation. So I'm not going to count that in. So wash your face with water, use a moisturizer, and use a sunscreen. So 3 steps in the day and 3 steps in the night, and you're done. That was a lot. So I hope you guys found this video informative and you guys learned something. And if you all are just beginners, I think this video was perfect. If you all are beginners, I'm just praising myself here. And if you're getting into skincare, if you want to talk to your friends about it, talk about these basic steps. So I think that was it for today's video. You know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, you guys, because every time I upload a video I have to just message all of my friends and tell them, and they would be like, oh, you have uploaded a video, oh, let me see. So just hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I think that's it. Bye.